Alright, how's it going? It's around like 12, 12:24, so we'll do this one and then we'll do Minecraft. But hi, welcome back to Firewatch. It's been quite a while. But being that it's kind of late, I slightly have to be quiet. But we're just gonna get either to the next day or I think that's it. The fuck was that? I don't know if you heard that, but it was like a whisper. It was weird. And I'm pretty sure it wasn't my game. That was kind of weird. Like, really kind of weird. Oh well. Could have been just me with my voice doing all types of shit. I don't know. Man, I wonder if the camera caught that. Well, my audio caught that. That was weird. That was really weird. Oh well. But like I was saying, yeah, we're gonna get to the next like major checkpoint and then move on. What are we doing? Oh my god, it's so bright. What the hell's wrong? Where are we supposed to go? Find. Yeah, we did that. I don't think we're supposed to go to the supply drop. Am I supposed to go to Walkie Station? Fuck, I don't remember. Damn it. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't remember. What does it say? Oh. I don't know. I can't remember. Where are we though? That's the big question, is where am I? I don't know. I guess we're gonna go to the Walkie Station, I guess. Interesting. Alright, so it's this way. Kind of. Right? No, wait, I remember the way. I think I discovered this either last time or I don't know. Because I really don't remember what we're supposed to be doing. Shit. I don't remember. I think it's supposed to go here. If I get really wrong, I'll end it and come back. Well, not end it, but I'll stop the video and come back because I don't remember. Oh, hello, laggy game. I missed you. Fuck, this game gives me the willies some days. Here's a real question. Do I have a... I don't. I might be doing this early. I again can't remember what I'm supposed to be doing. This is slightly scary because I genuinely can't remember what I'm supposed to be doing. And that's not the way. This is the way. Do you know the way? I kind of know the way. Has to be this way, right? Ah, my nose! Man, I just got done doing like 2 episodes of Mud Runner and fuck, it took forever. Okay. Is it back this way? I don't remember. That's a scary drop. I swear it's back this way. Could have sworn. Oh. Is it? I think this. Yeah, see?
Okay, I'm at the fence. I don't see anyone around, but I'm not sure I can get past it.
How big is it?
Big. It goes off in both directions. Acres.
But what the fuck is going on out here?
Whatever it is, someone doesn't want anyone to know about it. Looks like goddamn Area 51.
Maybe they've got aliens. That'd be exciting.
And we'll see about that.
Oh, that's more terrifying. Haha. No, that's not the gate. Where the fuck's the gate? I think I missed it. Is this the gate? Where's the gate? I don't remember. Fuck. I really don't remember. So we came through here. We came over here. Right. Aha! Found you.
And what are the odds they left the gate unlocked?
Pretty low, I'd imagine.
There you go, there's your ASMR for the night.
Look, I'm not going to be able to get into this place.
Shit.
I don't know how long I can dick around out here until someone notices.
God, if you were an actual firefighter, you'd have that gate down in 2 shakes. Hey, actually, those guys doing the controlled burn, they might be able to help.
Where are they?
Beyond Ruby River, there's a scout camp. They burned a line a few days ago that should let you hike right to them.
Well, that's great.
If they haven't left, they're probably the type of guys who would help you get through that fence.
See, probably. That's the key word there. Probably. I was like, oh fuck. Can I? There we go. See, I knew what we were doing. Kinda. I had my doubts. But at least, thank God for playing this at least a few times. I swear I've done this before. Did I restart? And I think I don't remember. I could have sworn that I've done this with you guys. I could have sworn that. Maybe did I do it on my own? I really can't remember. Oh, that hurts my legs every time I do that. But I do know where I'm going this time. And that's a plus, because usually in this game I get very, very lost very, very quickly. I like this hand of nature, okay? Leave me alone. Fuck. Damn it, I did it to myself again. Damn it. See, this is the spot I get lost in. There we go. It's kind of like a maze. And then not. Oh, okay, hello. That threw me through a loop. Alright. I slightly know where I'm going. Because I'm not sure that you can make it from 5 Mile Creek to Cottonwood Creek. I must say no, because I think that's part of another quest. Sorry, mission, whatever you call it. And why is this so shaky? Okay, so, alright, I know where I'm going. Relatively. God, this music gives me the fucking willies.
I'm wandering around east of the lake. Which way is Ruby River?
It's in the southeast corner of your map. The scout camp where the firefighters were staged should be on your map. It looks like a little triangle with a flat bottom.
Yeah, it looks like a tent.
How did I never see that before?
Wow. Okay, that's not the one we want to go to. We want to go through up here. Because I want to hit the medicine circle. No. I don't remember what it's called.
Hey, I called around. Things seem normal with everyone else.
Should we call the cops or the Forest Service and let them know this is going on?
Don't you think that would sound, crazy?
Yeah, it is crazy. We have to tell someone.
Tell them what, Henry? Tell them we're being stalked and you were attacked and we don't have any proof?
I don't know, tell them we're being bothered or something.
Henry, I really like this job, okay? And if I give off even a hint of cuckoo to my bosses, they are never gonna let me come back out here. Do you understand that?
Alright, I'm headed toward the camp anyway.
Okay. Keep your radio close to you.
Hey, what you just said, keep my radio close to me.
Yeah?
Before I got attacked back at the lake, I saw a radio on the ground, kind of like the one I use.
And?
Do you think that maybe someone was,
I don't know. What?
maybe intercepting our frequency with other radios or something?
Henry,
It's just a thought.
I don't even know how you would do that.
Yeah, well, you sound worried.
No, I'm not. Okay, let's not spin out of control. Just keep hiking.
Whatever you say, boss.
Well then, things are getting interesting. Okay, it lagged a little bit there. This game is running a little slow today, but that's okay. Nothing we can't get through, right, fam? Why'd I say fam? That's fucking, yeah. Okay. So from here, I think we go that way. No. Yes, no. No, there's not a way that way. Alright. I think I need to keep my eyes to the left. Right. Right. Yeah. There's a way down there. Yeah. See, medicine wheel. I was close. So, a little bit forward and then to the right. Just because I want to speed this up a little bit. Is this it? Did I miss it? Yes, I did. Here we go. This is the one. Oh, hello, frame rate.
I don't know what's going on yet, but I don't have a good feeling. I don't like feeling vulnerable. It's not like you can just call the police. I was thinking about the good ones. It just struck me that if anything weird like this happened to them, happened to Brian, just how scared he would have been.
He had his dad to protect him. Ned, right?
Yeah.
You don't think he could?
No, you're probably right.
It was 3 years ago. He's in high school now. He's on summer break.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Well, I guess there's nothing to say about that. Last time I checked, there was. That was a weird texture glitch. Kind of looked like water there for a second. Oh, please tell me I'm going the right way. Nope. But, I'm gonna get the fuck out of here because I know what this is for. And we're not ready for that shit yet. That was close. I almost spoiled shit for us. That was very close. That was scary close. Oh my god.
These guys, Ron and Dave, they're leaving notes for each other in the boxes. Is there any chance that they had anything to do with those girls disappearing?
No, they're both rangers. They're not out here this season. I didn't really know them that well, but I always assumed the only thing Ron cared about was chasing tail and getting looted. It's somehow comforting to know that he was able to keep up a correspondence with someone who wasn't going to send him a topless Polaroid.
Ron really wish the power that could be issue. What? That be powers that be could issue us radios that didn't suck ass. Most of the time, I prefer to keep things pen to paper, but every once in a while it'd be nice to get a hold of you right away. My sister keeps leaving me messages at the main office, but I don't think she gets that I took the job so I wouldn't have to deal with her or mom. I've been sitting at the spot for a while now, thinking about what to say to her, but I'm a quarter way through this bottle of fees. Whatever. Yeah, that's a little hard to read. Keep that for later. Hey, there's an older roll of toilet paper, for the coronavirus. We'll come grab these books in a bit. Cause, yeah.
I found where they did the controlled burn. I can hike right through here now.
Yeah, normally they wouldn't do that so close to a body of water, but I think they're extra worried about a fire jumping the river and burning up to 2 forks, now that there's someone in it.
Well, I'm extra appreciative of that.
Let's see. The scout camp is southeast of the river. There should be a pond on the way.
Got it. What happens if a controlled burn gets out of control?
Someone gets fired.
Oh, are you serious?
Oh, come on. That one was an honest accident. I'm not even in the mood for wordplay. That's how wound up all this shit has me.
There's some old snowmobiles out here.
That's crazy.
Looks like one of the poor bastards was cruising across this pond and dumped it.
That was not a fun hike back to civilization.
God, you can really tell how old this game is by how the snowmobiles look. Pretty cool. I like the older style games.
There's an old pond out here, not much more than a pile of mud. Do you have it on your map?
Yeah, I know where you are.
Yeah, where am I?
Pork Pond. There used to be a sign up for it, but, well, folks kept stealing it.
Because it's called Pork Pond.
It's a good goddamn name. That sign would look great in a den, or, anywhere.
Mm-hmm. Alright, I think we're heading the right way. Could be wrong though. Alright, yes, we're heading the right way. Yep.
Camp Arapaho.
You there?
Yeah, I am.
It's been out there since the 50s.
I was never really into the idea of the scouts. There's something about men organizing boys around their ideals that never sat right with me.
Beware weebelows in large numbers.
Beware of anyone in large numbers. The bridge to the camp is out.
Damn.
I'm gonna walk the ravine and see if I can find some high ground to get across.
Good plan.
And there we go.
You ever talk to any of the scouts?
No, they haven't been out here in a while, and I generally don't have a lot to say to preteens.
Unless it's Brian Goodwin.
Well, if forced, I mean, I can make conversation with anyone. Plus, it was sort of fun to hear about all of his nerdy hobbies.
I mean, he wasn't a scout or a Weedler or whatever.
I got the sense that boy could barely tie his shoes, let alone a clove hitch.
What the hell's a clove hitch?
Well, it's a knot that you are probably too old and too stubborn to learn. You use it to make rafts and shelters and stuff like that.
Huh. You know how to tie one?
Heck no, I'd make a weebelow do it.
I don't even know how to tie one.
I guess these little shelters are where they keep the weeblos.
For the past 35 years, yeah.
Don't I have a flashlight? I thought I had a flashlight. Guess not. Interesting. Thought I did.
There are bear traps out here in the scout shelters.
Scouts are stalwart prey.
That's messed up.
I hadn't found the bear trap before. Guess you find new things all the time, right? Alright, let's go get the firemen. See if they're even still here. And try not to fall asleep in the process because I'm getting tired.
Yeah, these guys are gone. I found where they were sitting around before getting picked up.
Damn.
It's a weird sound. Oh, okay, it's that.
I found an axe.
If one of the crew left it, that thing is actually called a Pulaski.
It looks like an axe to me. This thing will be a huge help.
For both getting through the backcountry and getting through that fence.
And getting through someone's skull. I thought there was a way up there for a second. I guess that's not the tree we kill. Yeah, I don't have a feeling I'm not supposed to be here. Where the hell is it? That's it? I don't think so. There we go. Watcha! Oof. Just big oof. What's this way? Oh. Nothing, but I'm curious. Okay, genuinely nothing. I'm to double check. Because I don't know if you remember, but when we were doing the wire one, there was a little extra spot, and there was
So,
fuck, you scared the shit out of me.
here's a funny thing about old Delilah.
Okay.
I'm a bit of a pack rat.
I have no doubt that this is relevant information.
I keep everything. I mean, I have an entire drawer of parking tickets from like 7 states.
Wow, that's very thorough yet completely irresponsible of you. Congrats.
But I'm not so good with the following up with stuff part.
So those parking tickets.
Yeah, they're all unpaid. I'm the scourge of every meter maid from here to Mexico. Anywho, I was digging through all of my documents and memos and updates, and I found something from April about a fence in the middle of the woods at Wapiti Meadows.
Delilah.
I know. It's about how we're supposed to report any damage to our bosses or university officials.
University?
Because they're doing some sort of study. It's a research site. So, the question is, what do we think they're studying? I mean, you and I aren't very interesting.
Us. They're researching us.
You think they're studying you and me?
I do. Yeah. I mean, maybe it's about studying two strangers who talk every day.
Like, if you put someone in isolation with someone else, what they do?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Well, fuck that.
Agreed.
I think we should allow for the possibility that this is all just a big misunderstanding, but God, if you saw what you said you did, fuck, Henry.
Yeah, I saw it.
Okay, so what's next?
Just on my way back, in and out of trees in the middle of nowhere.
Do you see anybody?
No, definitely not.
All right, so tell me what you think of this. Did you just cough?
No. Did you just cough? isn't any way someone, another lookout, could be on this line, is there?
No. Not without tapping our radios.
And what about when I heard you talking to someone else?
I just left your line open. That's not what this is. Get in your tower, shut the door, don't leave, and don't use your radio. I'll call you. Understand? I will call you.
Oh shit, boys! Oh, this is why I fucking love this game. It's just right in your face, and every time I play this game, it just gives me the fucking chills. Oh, like that entire just conversation. I knew where it was going, even though it was just still gave me the fucking chills. Oh, oh, God, I love this game, but Jesus, this is kind of mindfuckery.
Thoroughfare Tower, this is Two Forks calling you for the, 50th time today. The June fire continues to move in a southerly fashion. Delilah, for fuck's sake, answer your radio.
Hello, sunshine. Sorry, went out for a little bit. What can I do you for?
You can do me for a trip out of here. I don't care if it's on horseback or a helicopter or in a canoe. Just get me out of here.
Henry, we have work left to do. Let's chat about what's bothering you and you'll feel better.
Are you serious?
Let's talk. Okay?
Okay.
Wait, I was wondering if your Flora of the Shoshone info poster was still up inside your tower?
What?
It's just protocol that those stay up. You know, info about your tower, the surrounding tree species, etc.
All right.
Just, you know, have a look at it. Make sure it's in ship shape.
Okay, yeah, it's up. Why are you acting like this?
Great. Just wonderful. Do you see the tree in the top row, second from the left?
Let me look at it and I'll tell you.
No. You don't need to tell me. Just, internalize it. It's a great tree. And there's an area called, that tree's name in your sector that maybe you should take a midday hike to. Maybe.
Which tree am I supposed to internalize again?
Top row, second from the left. Head to a place named after that tree, and you'll have a wonderful afternoon.
Oh, yeah, okay. Maybe I should go for a hike.
Nothing like an afternoon in the Rockies, I tell ya. Radio me the moment you get there.
All right, on that note, fuck, do I love this game? But does it gives me the shivers some days? Like, damn, just big old damn. I'm sorry, that conversation always just scares the little fuck out of me. It's like, this isn't really supposed to be a horror game, but shit. Alright, well, I'm gonna leave that with you, and I'll see you next Tuesday. It's actually Wednesday, but I missed recording yesterday, I'm sorry. But yeah, have a good night, and just don't worry about that. Alright, I think I'm gonna pass on Minecraft tonight because it's probably super late. So if you did like, please, well, if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and if you have any ideas on what's going on, please comment them down below, because I would love, I mean it, I would love to see your theories, because oh shit, this is getting intense, boys and girls. I don't know if you're watching, but damn, this is getting intense. Oh, alright. On that note, I shall see you next week.